friends, welcome to Sonlicious. My name is Sonia Gupta. My sincere thanks to all my channel subscribers. Today we're going to make popular Middle Eastern bread called Pita bread. If you like my recipe and want to watch more recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Your likes and comments are fuel to my encouragement. Let's start. For this recipe, we need flour, oil, salt, sugar, yeast and water. Now the first step is in a bowl, add sugar, add yeast, dissolve it, let it rest for some time or until yeast forms. Our yeast has activated now. Let's knead the dough. Add salt, activated yeast, Now our dough is ready. We'll punch the dough to release the air. Gently fold it. In the meantime, we have kept our oven for preheating at 250 degrees Celsius. Lightly dust the surface. Place the dough. Make small balls from this dough of equal size. With the help of a rolling pin, roll the dough into a circular disc. Place it on a greased baking tray. Now we will bake these roll sheets in a preheated oven for 10 minutes. Our pita bread is ready. Now let's cut it and check the texture. You can fill any kind of topping and make the sandwiches. So friends, today we have made the recipe of pita bread with whole wheat. This is a healthier version of pita bread. I'm sure you liked the recipe. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.